100 days of Python. In this one we're going to have a couple more challenges based on using isinstance, okay, and we're going to use it to find out what class an object is and also use type to tell us what class something is. So let's have a look at that. Now let's say, okay, I want you to make an object and then use one of those things. That's your challenge. Try and do it now. If not, let's do it together. So, all right, easy way is to create something. Let's create, it could be a string. All right, and that's created. Now all we have to do is use type and put the object inside that and press enter. And it tells us what type it is. It's telling us it's a string. Now, isinstance, let's try it. Isinstance, oops, A-N-C-E. All right, and we're going to test whether it's an int. We're going to pretend we don't know it's a string. We're going to try and figure out, is it an int? Okay, so what we do is we put the object and then we put the type. So let's put string and close it off and press enter. And it says true. So if we do that again and tried another type, like int, and press enter, we'll get false unless we change this first value. So let's try that again. A equals 12. And I'm just going to copy and paste this. And enter, true. So you can print out some quite cool things here. Like just say you want to figure out what type a thing is. So you could go, oh, print, you know, just the type of it. A is, and then another comma, and we'll put the type. I'm just going to copy that. And print that. So 12 is of class int. I might put an of in there, might make it read better. Cool. And do another one. Let's do a float. Okay, and paste. And 12.0 is of class, oh, I forgot the of. You can put that in there. It just makes things easier to read. And that is instance and type. So have a go at that yourself. It's quite handy if you're trying to figure out what type an object is, and then you can figure out what you're going to do with it.